Hi, this is Joette with ballooncoach.com, and today I want to give you a tour of the Mastermind dashboard. After you purchase Balloon Boss Mastermind subscription, you'll be receiving an email from Joette at ballooncoach.com to use your email and password to log in. You simply hit log in and enter in the information provided. When you get to your member dashboard, this is the area to find training 24/7 to help you take your business to the next level. The first place you want to get started is at the getting started, because you want to watch the videos and download the PDFs to help you see where you are now and where you want to go with your business in the future. We have our Thrive Guide that gives you the steps to identifying your goals for your business and then breaking it down into weekly and daily action steps. The goal to growing a thriving balloon business is taking action daily, one step at a time. In Balloon Boss Mastermind, we're all on this entrepreneurial journey together, but we're all at different stages in our business. So we have to create our own schedule for success in our Thrive Guide daily to help us focus forward. When you want to know about when the next upcoming live webinar is, go to our Mastermind calendar of events. We have a live webinar Q&A on the first Monday of every month at 9 p.m. Eastern. The third Thursday of every month is our Retail and Marketing Shop Talk with Liz Romani and myself, Balloon Coach Joette Giardina. And that happens on the third Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern. And then on the fourth Tuesday of every month is our live webinar. We look at all three of our live programs as a webinar and work time, where you jump in, you listen to the training, you engage, and then you take action on what you learn. So I encourage people to block out some time prior to the webinar or after the webinar to use the information that you're gaining right then and there while it's fresh in your brain to take action on what you're learning. Throughout our program and our interaction in our live webinars, you get to meet the other people that are a part of the program and decide who you might like to hang out with as a accountability partner or somebody to team up with on a collaboration of a new plan or idea for marketing and growing your business. Each webinar is recorded. So right here, you'll see our replays from the first Monday, the third Thursday, and the fourth Tuesday. You simply go in and click View Replays. When you click on View Replays, it's going to give you a drop-down list of the different types of webinars we've had over the years. These webinars have been happening since September of 2015. We've had over 40 guest speakers sharing their ups and their downs of being a balloon business owner. And we also have had experts in SEO, in social media, in knowing how to tell your brand story, and so much more, all right here for you. So let's say you decided that you want to know about balloon tips and tricks, that you're looking for some information on how to market, create, and sell pop drops. So right here, you can click on this lesson that we did back in October. And as you pull up the lesson, you'll be able to watch the video, and you can also have the notes. So you click right here to watch the webinar with the details on this subject. And then right here, you click on to download the notes, and then the notes will appear in typically the left end of your computer screen. You click download notes and they're right there for you. So you can print them and use them to help you take the steps after you learn during the class. Our webinars are up in your member area within 24 hours after they have been completed. So we have great things on accounting and bookkeeping, and how to make and sell balloons, to how to make sure that you are building a really strong marketing plan. Throughout your training, we've provided other services to help you along your way. Again, you want to make sure you go through that getting started guide on the steps to take as you first get into Mastermind, Our Decor 101 is basic techniques that you need for being a balloon decorator on how to make centerpieces, framework, and the basis of being a balloon decorator of things that you want to evaluate within a situation to make sure you're providing excellent service. We have editable pricing guides. This is a benefit that just this one little piece alone is worth your monthly subscription. And Liz Romani, who is our marketing mentor for Balloon Boss Mastermind, has created these wonderful templates for you from Common Decor Guide. I encourage everybody to have a Common Decor Guide from the start so that you can easily quote for your clients without taking a lot of time. So you come in and we have a video that shows you how you can take these graphics and change out the Balloon Coach logo and make it your logo for your business and put your website on it to be able to show people the pricing guides. And then you can actually pull apart the separate graphics that are there to use in photos of the client's home or venue to be able to impose those pictures into their photo so that they can visualize what the balloon decor will look like for their special event. So in the Common Decor Guide, you can use it just as is, or you can pull these separate pieces out. And when you want to, you can go into these separate pieces and change the coloring to the colors of your event that you're decorating for, or to be brand specific for you. But don't let that hold you up when you first get started. Go in here, use it as is, just change your pricing, put your information in, and don't worry about all those extra details at first. The number one thing is for you to have a pricing guide to easily quote people from the get-go. You just hit enable editing and get to creating it just the way you want. Each month, a new download is put. So currently we have all these wonderful things for you to choose from so that you can grow your business quickly. Remember, you always want to be marketing 1 to 3 months ahead. So that's why we're having all these different templates here for you to work with. We also have other mentors who help give information to grow your business. We have financial tips from financial advisors and bookkeepers that we'll find underneath this course. Our tech tips will help you in having your online presence, your website, and understanding more information about SEO. And then our marketing plans is where you find the calendar for how to market year-round in advance, always thinking forward so that you can be proactive rather than reactive. BalloonCoach.com and Balloon Boss Mastermind program is here to help you take the next step in growing your thriving balloon business. When you're wanting to jump on one of our live webinars, you simply come to the calendar and right underneath here, first Monday, third Thursday, fourth Tuesday is the access to live webinar. You click on that at the time of the webinar and it'll take you directly to our live Zoom. Welcome to Balloon Boss Mastermind. We look forward in helping you take the next step in growing your thriving balloon business. Don't forget to join our Mastermind Facebook group so you can have access to other units, collaborations, and ongoing group discussions and group coaching so that when you have questions, you can ask them there. Do one step today that your future self will thank you for.